Hello viewers! In this video, I will show you how to grant access to a YouTube channel as a manager using a mobile phone. How do you do this? Let's follow these simple steps. Click on the profile icon. Now, click on Settings. Next, click on Permissions under Channel. Then, click on the Invite button. Enter your email address. You can provide manager access. You can provide editor access. You can also provide editor limited access. Now, I will select Manager Access. Click on the Send button to send the invitation. For security, click on the Verify button.
I hope this video was helpful for you. See you in another video. Goodbye.